Going the there's still people here. There's not much people. I'll try to ride like an empty train. So I'm gonna have fun. But I don't think that's empty. I want to ride here. I want to try to like have fun with an empty train or something. But I doubt it's empty. This is empty. Look, it's pure empty right here. Like in your wildest dream, you'll get to see like an empty 7 train. Empty 7 train. In rush hour. Not rush hour, this is after rush hour. This is like 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. right now. I don't know exactly what time it is because I'm recording. But it's pretty empty here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna sit right here, but I don't know. I should though. So basically everybody's social distance. For instance, like right here, right there. So like this is my booth, I guess. Just walk around. I don't want to touch stuff on the surface. I don't know. I get tired on my day.